my Hoover Convertible. I just got today from my work. Got the original bag. It's in really good condition. The paint's kinda, if you can't tell, it's kinda like getting fish-eyed or whatever. Getting fish bumps, whatever they're called back there. But other than that, it's in really good condition. I'll show you the bottom. I've got a Cleveland Wood Products brush roll in there. On the base plate it says the Hoover cleaner makes rugs last longer, and then it says it beats as it sweeps as it cleans. It's a model number U4001. It's in really good condition, and it's got 4-position height adjustment: shag, high, normal, and low. So it runs really good. I'll show you on this carpet, and it's got a Type-C bag in there right now. It does a really good job, and it's really quiet. I like this one.